Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can get refund on your Steam games. So first of all, before applying for refund, you should know that it says the Steam refund offer within 2 weeks of purchase and with less than 2 hours of playtime applies to games and software applications in the Steam store. Here's an overview and stuff, so on and so forth. So first of all, you're going to have to make sure that it only has been within 2 weeks and 2 hours of less time. If you are eligible, head over to your Steam application, then click onto your profile, select account details. Now under account details, you will see view purchase history, click onto it. And likewise, you're going to have to select the game where you would like to apply for refund. In my case, I don't have any, but if you have any, go ahead and select the game. And once you select the game, you will also see apply for refund. Select apply for refund. When you see the on-screen prompt, you will know what to do. And all you have to do is select if you are eligible or not. Steam will check that for yourself. And after a couple seconds, if you are eligible, you may go ahead and apply for refund. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.